Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Maria.
Welcome to Disney News Jam. Hi everyone, and welcome back to your weekly happy place. If you're new here, please subscribe, ring the bell to be notified each week when the show drops, and hit the like button if you love Disney. A special shout out to all of our group members of Disney Cruising Australia and Australians travelling to Disney on Facebook. You can also catch us on Instagram at Jam Life Adventures and at Disney News Jam. On this week's show, what's happening in Disneyland 2024? Disneyland Resort announces 2024 After Dark events. Maria is here for your weekly Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks. And this week, she's aboard the Wonder for Tritons Restaurant. This week's Disneyland Show focus is the Enchanted Tiki Room. Opening date revealed for Pixar Place Hotel at Disneyland Resort. And Disney Cruise Line's Treasure Progress Report. It's another jam-packed show, so let's get into it. From the resort-wide Pixar Fest celebration to favourite festivals like the Disney California Adventure Food and Wine Festival, the return of Fantasmic, and much more, there is something for everyone to enjoy at Disneyland Resort in 2024. Also including the upcoming attraction Tiana's Bayou Adventure and the continued transformation of the downtown Disney district. Pixar Fest returns to the Disneyland Resort from April 26th through to August 4, 2024, bringing us together for a celebration of friendship and beyond. From colourful decor and themed menu items to commemorative merchandise, the Disneyland Resort theme parks, hotels and downtown Disney district will have a Pixar twist of friendly fun for a limited time. Lunar New Year at Disney California Adventure Park, January 23rd to February 18th. A tribute to Chinese, Vietnamese and Korean traditions, the multicultural celebration rings in the Year of the Dragon with Asian-inspired food and beverages, vibrant decor and Mushu leading the way in Milan's Lunar New Year procession. Disney's California Adventure Food and Wine Festival, March 1st to April 22nd. The gastronomic extravaganza serves up creative foods and beverages, cooking demonstrations and family-friendly entertainment inspired by the diverse cultures and cuisines of the Golden State. The popular attraction Soaring Over California also returns for a limited time during the festival. Season of the Force is at Disneyland Park, April 5th to June 2nd. Season of the Force arrives at Disneyland Park with Hyperspace Mountain and specially themed food and beverage, merchandise and more for a limited time. Debuting during the celebration, you'll be able to embark on the new adventures aboard Star Tours The Adventure Continues, and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge will provide a fresh perspective on the fireworks above Disneyland Park, with galactic music sweeping through the spires. Halloween time at the Disneyland Resort, August 23 to October 31st. Wicked fun for all ages, this spellbinding season transforms the resort with autumn decor, characters dressed in haunting Halloween outfits, and uniquely themed attractions. Holidays at Disneyland Resort begins November 15th. Family and friends can celebrate the season with the lively Disney Festival holidays at Disney California Adventure, plus seasonal overlays on beloved attractions, cherished holiday spectaculars, and dazzling wintry decor throughout the resort. When the new attraction Tiana's Bayou Adventure debuts at Disneyland Park later in 2024, you'll get to embark on a musical journey inspired by Walt Disney Animation Studios' The Princess and the Frog, and a lot to look forward to in 2024 at the Disneyland Resort. Also at Disneyland, coming for 2024, we have a number of After Dark events. If you're not familiar, Disneyland After Dark events are separately ticketed themed evenings that include after hours, theme park and ride access, often with less wait times, unique entertainment, beloved and sometimes rare character appearances, specialty food, beverages, and merchandise offerings, and so much more. Whether you're a romantic at heart, a nostalgic Disney Channel enthusiast, Star Wars devotee, or want to show your pride, these limited time offerings are made for you. Here's what's happening in 2024. Sweethearts Night, with dates through January and February at Disneyland Park. Sweethearts Night will include a royal cavalcade will make its way through Disneyland Park, offering an enchanting gathering of some of Disney's favourite royals, transported by equally splendid equines. Near It's a Small World, dance along with princesses, princes, and Disney characters at the evening's Royal Ball. Stitch and Angel will host their very own dance party at the stage in Tomorrowland. Join them throughout the night to dance and sing some awesome beats. Throughout the park, unique photo backdrops will offer an opportunity to step inside some of Disney's iconic scenes of love and friendship, including Lady and the Tramp, Tangled, Sleeping Beauty, Aladdin, and more. Divine lighting, fabulous projections, and the music of Disney love songs create the ultimate atmosphere for romance, friendship, and family throughout the park. Enjoy many sweet treats to indulge in and themed savoury items available throughout the park. Plus, specialty menu items will also be available in Plaza Inn, Cafe Orleans, Riverbell Terrace, and Carnation Cafe. Disney Channel Night is March 5th and 7th in 2024 at the Disneyland Park. Disney Channel fans will love this, with great offerings including the High School Musical Prep Rally will take place through the streets of Disneyland Park, celebrating the songs from the beloved High School Musical franchise. The Phineas and Ferb dance party at the stage in Tomorrowland will be a high-energy dance party, complete with a DJ and appearances by your favourite Phineas and Ferb characters. Camp Rock Karaoke will also allow you to sing your favourite songs, and the Ultimate Disney Channel Trivia Challenge will test true Disney Channel fans, all in the cozy atmosphere of the Golden Horseshoe. Descendants at the Rivers of America will invite you to take a cruise on the sailing ship Columbia and enjoy music from the Descendants trilogy. Opportunities to step into imaginative photo backdrops representing favourite Disney Channel shows and movies, including Lizzie McGuire, The Cheetah Girls, Teen Beach Movie, and more, will make you the star. And enjoy specialty themed foods and snacks all evening long. Next, we have Star Wars Night. Dates through April and May 2024 at the Disneyland Park. Star Wars Nights are back with more nights than ever before. Prepare to launch your course for a galactic adventure like no other. Star Wars Nights will take place during Season of the Force, happening at Disneyland Park from April 5th to June 2nd. On sale dates and additional details for Disneyland After Dark Star Wars Night are forthcoming, so keep your eyes on Disney News Jam in coming months. Pride Night, June 18th to 20th, 2024 at Disneyland Park. Last year, Disneyland After Dark Pride Night came to life for the very first time, and it's back in 2024 with entertainment, colourful characters, photo ops, and more on 2 spectacular evenings in June at Disneyland Park. Stay tuned for on-sale dates and additional details for Disneyland After Park Pride Night in the coming months. Right then, this coming Wednesday, flights to LAX and Disneyland come in at $2,087. And flights to Orlando International Airport and Disney World come in at $2,377. These flights are one-way, and better deals can be had if you book further out. So make sure you book early, and that's flights and accommodation. It does wonders for the anxiety. Let's go over to Maria now for her Disney Cruise Line tips and tricks, and this week she's aboard the Wonder for Tritons Restaurant.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to this week's Disney Cruise tip, dining at Tritons on board the Disney Wonder. Tritons is a main dining restaurant within Disney Cruise Line's innovative rotational dining experience, and is one of the prominent dining venues located on Deck 3 on the Disney Wonder cruise ship. Tritons draws inspiration from the classic Disney film The Little Mermaid. The restaurant is named after King Triton, Ariel's father in the movie. Before stepping foot into the restaurant, you are greeted by Ariel herself in a fanciful bronze statue. You'll then journey inside a grand ballroom that recalls the opulent sea palace of King Triton, brimming with ornate chandeliers, stained glass, sea-inspired architectural flourishes, and a sweeping mural of Ariel and her father, Triton serves up a regal atmosphere that guests of all ages are sure to admire. Evoking a sense of luxury and sophistication, the attentive and friendly staff add to the overall ambience, ensuring that guests feel pampered throughout their meal. Triton's prides itself on delivering exceptional service and creating memorable experiences for guests. From the moment guests are seated, they are treated to a high level of personalized attention. The waitstaff is knowledgeable and eager to assist with menu selections, dietary restrictions, and any special requests. Tritons offers a diverse 4-course menu that caters to a wide range of tastes and preferences. The restaurant specializes in serving international cuisine with a French flair. Guests can indulge in artfully presented appetizers that include duck confit, French onion soup, and escargot gratin. Dive into an avocado citrus salad or chilled jumbo shrimp before taking the plunge with a steaming braised lamb shank, 3-cheese lobster macaroni, roasted duck breast, or porcini mushroom stuffed pasta in a steaming vegetable broth. Satisfy your sweet tooth with a creme brulee, chocolate mousse, grand marina souffle, or a traditional ice cream sundae. Additionally, Triton offers a variety of meat and vegetarian options to accommodate different dietary needs. The culinary team at Triton's ensures that each dish is prepared with the utmost care and attention to detail, providing a memorable dining experience. Triton's is also available for breakfast and lunch, so be sure to check out your Disney Cruise Line Navigator app for opening times. Triton's on the Disney Wonder cruise ship offers an enchanting dining experience inspired by The Little Mermaid. With its elegant nautical theme, delectable cuisine, and attentive service, Triton creates a truly memorable experience for all guests. Whether indulging in seafood delicacies or savouring international flavours, dining at Triton's is a highlight of the cruise journey, leaving guests with a sense of wonder and delight. And that's our Disney Cruise Line tip for this week. Now it's over to you, John.
Thank you for that, Maria. The Wonder is now in Brisbane for the first time, and there's lots of excited passengers, I'm sure, on board. And now it's time for this week's Disneyland Show focus, which is the Enchanted Tiki Room. The Enchanted Tiki Room is a classic attraction at Disneyland that takes guests on a tropical adventure filled with music, singing birds, and animatronic tikis. Located in Adventureland, this attraction has been captivating visitors since it first opened in 1963. Step inside the Enchanted Tiki Room and find yourself transported to a colourful paradise filled with talking birds, flowers, and tikis. The highlight of the show is when the animatronic birds come to life and serenade guests with catchy tunes like the Tiki 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 Room and Let's All Sing Like the Birdies Sing. The Enchanted Tiki Room offers a fun and relaxing experience for guests of all ages. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the park and enjoy some air-conditioned entertainment. Whether you're a Disney fan or just looking for a break, the Enchanted Tiki Room is a must-visit attraction at Disneyland. The opening date has been revealed for Pixar Place Hotel at Disneyland Resort. Playful Pixar elements have been coming to life over the past few months at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel at Disneyland Resort. And we're excited to share that the property will officially transform into Pixar Place Hotel on January 30th, 2024, becoming the first fully Pixar-themed hotel in the United States. Pixar Place Hotel will invoke the inspiration and humor that goes with every Pixar film, while celebrating the artistic process. Showcasing early sketches to finished designs, the art and decor will highlight vibrant Pixar stories, revealing some never-before-seen artwork. From pillows inspired by the Pixar ball to lighting reminiscent of the Pixar lamp, there will be whimsical nods to the iconic animation studios throughout these comfortable and contemporary accommodations. Great Maple Restaurant will bring its innovative menu of upscale comfort food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This modern American eatery will serve a robust selection of dishes made from scratch daily, including the Cajun shrimp and cheddar biscuit Benedict, soda pop braised baby black ribs, charred cauliflower hummus, maple pecan crusted salmon, market fish, a variety of inspired salads, and sure to be a favorite, the buttermilk fried chicken and maple bacon donuts. Recently opened for guests of Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel, the rooftop oasis features Pixar Pool, which is lined with relaxing lounges along with Nemo's Cove Pop Jet Splash Pad, and the not-to-miss Cruisin' Surf and Slide, a 186-foot-long water slide inspired by the coolest sea turtle in the ocean. The adjacent play court and pool bar will open later this fall. Near the pool, you can gather with friends on comfy couches surrounding fire pits inspired by some of Pixar's more hot-headed characters, including Jack Jack from Pixar's The Incredibles and Anger from Pixar's Inside Out. In the lobby, browse through the new gift shop Story, a playful take on Pixar's film name WALL-E, featuring Pixar-themed apparel and toys, plus more Disneyland Resort souvenirs and sundries. A new and expanded fitness center recently opened, offering treadmills, free weights, and more, complimentary for hotel guests. Keep an eye out for a mural of Mike and Sully running on a treadmill, inspired by Pixar's Monsters University. In celebration of Walt Disney's birthday on December 5th of this week, guests visiting Epcot were able to visit Dreamer's Point. Everyone is invited to imagine along Walt himself and look out over World Celebration Gardens together. This new statue, entitled Walt the Dreamer, represents Walt later in his life, when he was dreaming up the overall Floridia project and the experimental prototype community of tomorrow. He sits with a sense of fulfillment, enjoying the beauty of his realized dream, a park that represents pure optimism and truly celebrates the magic of possibility. So let's talk about some updates for the Disney Cruise Line's Treasure. The holidays are quickly approaching, but construction of the Disney Treasure hasn't slowed down at Meyer-Werft shipyard in Germany. In fact, a lot of progress has taken place in recent weeks, including the lifting of the forward and aft funnels to their rightful place atop the ship. Complete with a coat of primer paint, the icons that are known across the entire fleet have officially found their new home, bringing the Disney Treasure one step closer to completion. Of course, the funnels on the Disney Treasure aren't just for looks. Guests will also be able to plunge through the forward funnel while riding the Aqua Mouse, Disney's attraction at sea, or even stay inside the funnel in the two-story Epcot-themed Tomorrow Tower suite. Other announcements made early in the year were, firstly, the Haunted Mansion Parlor. It will be the world's first bar themed to the classic Disney Parks attraction, the Haunted Mansion, on board the Treasure. Also, Disney The Tale of Moana will bring the adventurous journey of Moana, inspired by the Walt Disney Animation Studios film, to center stage for the very first time. The show will follow Moana as she embarks on an incredible journey to save her island after she is chosen by the ocean to restore the heart of Te Fiti. And lastly, the Disney Treasure will follow this tradition with its own signature character sculptures that honor the ship's motive of adventure, Peter Pan and Captain Hook. And that's it for today's show. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. Marie will be back on Wednesday with Merchandise and Fashion Top 10. And until then, it's not goodbye, but we'll see you real soon.